If you want to change sound EQ on Google Pixel 10, then in that case we need to download a third-party app, an Equalizer, audio equalizer, because by default we do not have anything like that on our Google Pixel 10. So we can open the Play Store and then search for something like Equalizer. There you go. And you should be able to find a bunch of different apps. Most of them are pretty much the same, or they work in a similar way. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here as an example, and I'm gonna show you how to quickly set it up. Feel free to try anything else if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you. So once we open the app, we're gonna press over here that we understand. We might see an ad in the meantime, of course. If you see this trial or premium offer, you can just close it over here in the top left corner. Over here, press next and then finish. Let's close the ad over here. And now we can enable the equalizer quite easily. We can grant access to notifications, and we can adjust the equalizer by moving up and down on these parameters essentially. So on these frequencies, we can adjust them by moving up and down. We can also find presets. So over here, we can tap on the current preset in order to choose, for example, like a classical preset. You can use like a heavy metal preset or hip hop preset and so on and so forth. There is also bass boost, but in addition to that, we can also find the bass boost option over here. So we can enable the bass boost and move it all the way to 100%, for example, if you want to. And there is also the volume slider. And the volume slider seems to be, I'm not sure if it's actually working properly, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so it does work actually. We can just move it left and right, I guess, in order to adjust the volume. But that should be it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.